Hey moneymakers, ready to turn your shorts into stacks? Today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to monetize your YouTube shorts like a pro. If you're ready to transform quick clips into serious cash, stick around. This is the shortcut to financial success you've been waiting for. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the shorts to stacks journey together. Hey there, content creators and short-form enthusiasts. If you've been riding the wave of YouTube shorts like we have, you're in for a treat today. I'm Cole, and this is AIpreneur, the place where creativity meets opportunity. Now picture this. You're scrolling through YouTube, enjoying those snappy, engaging shorts that keep you entertained in under a minute. Ever wonder if there's more to these bite-sized videos than meets the eye? Well, buckle up because today, we're unraveling the mystery behind YouTube Shorts monetization. Yes, you heard it right. Turning those seconds of brilliance into cash. So, if you've got the passion for short-form content and a curious itch about making it financially rewarding, you're in the perfect spot. Stick around as we break down the ins and outs of shorts monetization and share some insider tips to take your content game to the next level. In the vast realm of content creation, where every second counts, YouTube Shorts emerged as a game changer. Short, snappy videos flooded the platform, captivating audiences with their brevity and creativity. As the popularity of shorts soared, so did the dreams of countless creators who wondered, can these fleeting moments become more than just entertainment? This is the story of how YouTube Shorts monetization turned those snippets into a gateway of financial success for creators worldwide. As a content creator with a passion for storytelling in bite-sized bursts, and as I flourished with engaging shorts, the community grew curious about the possibility of earning through these swift creations. The revelation of YouTube Shorts. Monetization was like a beacon of hope, illuminating the path to turning creativity into a livelihood. The journey kicks off when I dive into the nitty-gritty of shorts monetization. Eligibility criteria became the first checkpoint, a necessary hurdle before the treasure trove of revenue could be unlocked. Being over 18, residing in a country where shorts is available, and adhering to YouTube's guidelines became the stepping stones for me and other aspiring creators. It wasn't just about making content anymore, it was about cultivating a brand that adhered to the platform's standards. Once the eligibility box was checked, I embarked on the straightforward process of enabling shorts monetization. A few clicks in the YouTube studio and the doors to ads, channel memberships, and super chat for shorts swung wide open. It was a moment of realization. These seconds of content had the potential to generate not only likes and comments, but real revenue. The dream of becoming a professional content creator was no longer confined to longer videos. Shorts had bridged the gap, allowing creators to earn from even the quickest of narratives. However, I knew that success wasn't just about meeting eligibility and enabling monetization. It was about strategy and audience engagement. The next part of the journey involved decoding the art of maximizing earnings. Encouraging viewers to interact with the shorts became the mantra. Likes, comments, and shares were the keys to unlocking the full potential of monetization. The more engaging the content, the higher the likelihood of earning through ads and super chat. I became not just a creator, but a community builder, fostering a space where every viewer felt compelled to be a part of the narrative. As AIpreneur grew, so did the hunger for innovative content. The storytelling prowess that initially fueled longer videos now translated seamlessly into shorts. The challenge wasn't just to capture attention, but to retain it within a minute. I delved into creating compelling narratives, leveraging the visual and auditory appeal that resonated with the audience. The beauty of shorts monetization lay in its ability to reward not just quantity, but quality. The kind that resonates with viewers, leaving them eagerly awaiting the next snippet of brilliance. I am becoming a beacon for aspiring creators looking to navigate the landscape of YouTube Shorts monetization. The channel's success wasn't just measured in views and likes, but in the tangible impact on my life. What began as a passion project evolved into a sustainable source of income, turning the dream of content creation into a fulfilling reality. In the grand tapestry of YouTube Shorts monetization, my journey serves as a testament to the democratization of content creation. It's no longer reserved for those with extensive resources or lengthy videos. Short-form content, with its dynamic charm, has found its place in the monetization spotlight, offering creators a chance to weave financial success from the threads of their creativity. As the AIpreneur community continues to thrive, the story of Shorts monetization will become an inspiration for creators worldwide. The once elusive dream of turning seconds into a livelihood is no longer a myth, but a tangible reality for those willing to embark on the journey. And so, the tale of me, an AIpreneur, stands as a beacon, inviting others to venture into the world of YouTube Shorts monetization, where every second is not just a moment, but an opportunity waiting to be seized. And there you have it, your quick guide to unlocking YouTube Shorts monetization. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribe for more short success tips, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Get out there, create some killer shorts, and let the cash flow begin. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next Shortastic video. Until then, stay snappy and stay successful.